Hi friends, this is Chintan Rajaguru. Um, I'm also one of those who has studied in Atmiya Institute of Technology and Science, and now people call it Atmiya University. And currently I'm working at Intel Corporation in California, USA. And I'm currently located at the Folsom site. As you all know that Intel is one of the biggest silicon manufacturers with about $130 billion of assets and revenues, which is equivalent to like $1 billion is 7,000 crores. So $130 billion is that many crores. And yeah, as you know that like in the US, there are so many companies in Silicon Valley like Apple, Facebook, Google. If you combine at least even few top 20-25 companies, it will be equivalent to India's GDP, right? So today we are going to talk about, significance of us as Indians, right? Who are kind of a driving force of Silicon Valley today, and why India is and where India is, right? So compared to that, so and we'll talk about you, we'll talk about me, and that's what we are going to discuss about. So let's start with me first. So I've completed, like I said, I studied in Atmiya University. I did my bachelor's from 2004 to 2008. I did my studies in electronics and communications. I was probably the third or fourth batch who started pursuing engineering after the college had started. It's such a great environment, and I learned so many things from there. The foundation is key, right? Before you can go and put out yourself for the success, the foundation is the key. And I'm really glad that I got that opportunity to learn, gain knowledge, dream, and all those things that I got from the campus there, because it's such a disciplined environment. It has so much to give to the students that they can, one day go out there and be fearless. And that's one of the mottos of Intel, be fearless. And right at that point when I started, જ્યારે મેં મારી જર્ની શરૂ કરી આત્મીય યુનિવર્સિટીમાં, ત્યારે મને એક જ્યારે ફર્સ્ટ તમે માઇક્રો પ્રોસેસરનું કે માઇક્રો કંટ્રોલરનું કોઈનું પણ બુકનું તમે ફર્સ્ટ પેજ જો, ત્યારે તમે જો ઇન્ટેલ 8085, ઇન્ટેલ 8086, ત્યારથી મને એમ હતું કે ત્યારે માઇન્ડમાં સબકોન્શિયસલી આઈ ગોટ દેટ ડ્રીમ કે can I ever work at Intel? I'm in Rajkot. I grew up in Junagadh. Is it ever possible that I will be in California, in the US, working in the Intel? It was like a dream at that time, or sometimes like a full stream. But if you dream, if you develop that vision, consciously or subconsciously, the universe will work for it to make it true for you. And that happened. And today here I am. After completing my undergrad, I started pursuing my master's in the US. I completed my master's in electrical engineering, and then I did it in the computer engineering as well. And I started doing my PhD at Boston University. And while I was doing my PhD, I got internship with Intel in California. And since then, I converted my internship into full-time. And this is 8th year I'm associated with Intel. And at Intel currently, I'm a senior IP debug research and development engineer. I'm working at mixed signal integration group, which is most of all, it's working with the hard IPs, high-speed interfaces, memories, etc. And we develop new IPs, new technologies that you probably see in 2 years, 4 years down the road. And we are working on it today so that you can have faster computers, faster interconnects, and smarter devices all around you, right? So yes, studying into engineering is one of the best things that ever happened to my life. Learning electronics was something that I was always curious from my childhood, and then that dream got into reality when I started engaging with my faculties in my college, started going to the lab, doing things for real. So I would definitely motivate you all to join engineering and fulfill your dreams, because if I can do it, you can do it too. હું પણ તમારી જેમ એ જ કેમ્પસમાં ત્યાં જ હતો અને ત્યાં જ રાજકોટ, જુનાગઢ, સૌરાષ્ટ્ર, ગુજરાત રિજનમાં જ મોટો થયો છું. અને જ્યારે ક્યારેય પણ મને ક્યારેય કોઈ એવી મુશ્કેલી આવે ત્યારે હું મારી જાતને એ વસ્તુ યાદ કરાવું કે ભલે તમે ગમે એ પણ દુનિયા આખાના કોઈ પણ ખૂણાના લોકો સાથે તમે ઇન્ટરેક્ટ કરતા હો, પણ વી આર ફ્રોમ ધ લેન્ડ ઓફ લાયન્સ. So I always remind me of that કે I grew up in Junagadh, right? And I tell them that, okay, I grew up amongst lions pretty much. So yeah, that's what we are. અને બધા ફેકલ્ટીઝને એટલા બધા હેલ્પફુલ છે કે તમારી ગ્રોથ, તમારી કરિયર માટે થઈને they will be very very helpful to you. અને I'm wishing you all the best that you can also vision, dream, and reach to that success that will get you, and the sky is the limit. આજકાલ અત્યારે electronics, technology, computer is booming so much. અત્યારે if you'll see 5G is coming up, right? And already in Sacramento we have had it implemented. It's super fast. It can go up to 300 gigahertz of speed, right? And all those things are 5G is booming. Then the process technology is booming. You can have smaller and smaller devices now. The 10 nanometer was there, 7 nanometer and beyond. So your processors are getting smaller and smaller. The performances are getting bigger and bigger. The servers, cell phones, all those things in so much demand, right? Especially right now, I'm meeting you like this because we are in the lockdown phase, and you would have realized that because of the lockdown, people have just tried to connect with each other digitally, right? કે જે લોકો બહાર નથી જઈ શકતા એ લોકો હવે અત્યારે ડિજિટલી એકબીજા સાથે કનેક્ટ કરે છે. અને કેટલા સર્વર્સ, કેટલી બધી એવી ટેકનોલોજીની પાછળ એવી જરૂર પડે છે. Today, Internet of Things, smart devices will be connected. 5G આવા પછી not just that they will be connected for information sensing purposes, but they will be transferring the data at very very high bandwidth, right? And all those technology will be supported. It needs a lot of workforce. એટલે ખૂબ જ job opportunities છે અને job opportunity રહેવાની જ છે. Engineering field એવું છે કે it's going to still go further and further, કારણ કે we are taking a giant leap now with computer technology is evolving. હજી તો આ ખાલી શરૂઆત છે અને એટલા બધા જમ્પ્સ આવવાના છે ટેકનોલોજીમાં કે એની કોઈ સીમા નથી. એટલે I really recommend કે તમે બધા એન્જિનિયરિંગને જોઈન કરો. તમને જે પેશન હોય, if you like coding, then of course there is machine learning, artificial intelligence. There is a lot that can be done, right? You all might have heard of Neuralink, right? It's a startup. It's kind of a startup from Elon Musk, who has built Tesla. Again, Tesla is self-driven car, artificial intelligence. Neuralink, again, it's kind of mimicking the brain and putting it out into like machine learning, and artificial neural networks will do that. And of course, the Neuralink will be a chip that can be inserted into your brain, and it can help help disable people. There's so many things required. Even for India today, we need a lot of help in defense sector, in communication technology. It's a really vast country, really vast world today, and it's a borderless world. We have a lot of technological requirements to have sustainable growth, environment related betterment. There are so many fields that you can work on and contribute, and have your own startups, right? Think of ideas, start building things, experiments, and turn those experiments into projects, get those projects into startups, and then build yourself from there. File patents, right? Publish papers. You don't have to be an engineer or a PhD student to do so. You can do that at a high school level too. And there are so many bright and brilliant people around the world coming together to shape up the world, to march forward. And I would recommend all of you to do the same. Thank you very much.